In today's fast-paced digital world, having a strong online presence is no longer just an option, it's a necessity. With countless businesses vying for attention, how do you ensure that your brand stands out from the crowd? That's where SEO and digital marketing come into play. SEO, or search engine optimization, is the key to unlocking your website's potential. By optimizing your site with relevant keywords, quality content, and a user-friendly experience, you can skyrocket your organic search rankings. Imagine your website appearing on the first page of search engine results, attracting more traffic and potential customers. It's like having a virtual billboard that never sleeps, working tirelessly to boost your revenue. But SEO alone is not enough. Digital marketing is the missing piece of the puzzle. It's about reaching your target audience where they are online. From social media marketing to email campaigns and paid advertising, digital marketing encompasses a wide range of strategies to promote your brand, products, or services. It's about creating a buzz, generating leads, and ultimately converting them into loyal customers. However, mastering SEO and digital marketing can be a daunting task. The ever-changing algorithms, the constant evolution of online platforms, it can feel overwhelming. But fear not, because our team of experts is here to guide you through the intricacies of this digital landscape. We will provide you with actionable tips and strategies to help you navigate the world of SEO and digital marketing. Whether you're a small business owner or a marketing professional, our insights and tutorials will empower you to take your online presence to the next level. So, if you're ready to achieve explosive online success, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more valuable insights and tutorials that will transform your online presence. Together, let's conquer the digital world and make your brand shine.